Ben of the Week's Multiple Lies. Hello everyone! My name is Miss KADIE, otherwise known as That Vegan Teacher. This is a quick response to the YouTuber named Ben of the Week, who got several things wrong in his latest video. But first, a song. Fish belong inside the water. Why would you want to change their fate? Fish belong inside the water. Be vegan so they don't end up on your plate. Ben, vegans believe that animals should not be bought and sold as commodities. Nobody should be manipulating or paying for animals to be created or bred. Animals are not objects. Their mothers should not be raped to create them. Vegans believe that animals are here with us on the planet, not for us. When vegans see animals who are injured or suffering, such as being behind bars in shelters or on factory farms, they believe it's compassionate to try to rescue or adopt them, to give them a safe and loving home, to help relieve their suffering. Ben made some very strange statements in his video. I'll go over them now. He called me a racist. I have several videos that speak out against racism. I've composed songs and stated in hundreds of videos on TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook over the years that being cruel to anyone based on either their skin color, age, disabilities, or gender identity is wrong. And while it is true that I have stated that we should not ban words, because this will lead to greater long-term problems, we should also never deliberately use words as insults in ad hominem, personal attacks. In his video, Ben seems to think that I don't talk about the health of veganism enough. While I have clearly stated that going vegan is healthy for all stages of development, I've also stated that there are unhealthy vegans if all they eat is chips and drink soda. I've always encouraged all schools to teach students about vegan nutrition beginning in kindergarten, and in each video description I provide links to multiple resources, such as howdoigovegan.com, challenge22.com, nutritionfacts.org, as well as links to several excellent chefs for recipes and inspiration. While Ben is the one who pays people to hurt animals, he for some reason decides to call me a psychopath. A psychopath is defined as someone who is callous, unemotional, and morally depraved. In fact, my YouTube channel is entirely based on being the opposite of someone who doesn't care. My whole channel is about caring about innocent victims who are deliberately hurt by cruel people who exploit them or use them just for entertainment or for their taste pleasure. Ben pays people to hurt fish. Fish are sentient, and although they might not process information in the same ways that we do, they do feel fear and pain when they are taken out of the water to die. And since the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics has clearly stated that anyone can be vegan, it's our moral responsibility to protect fish, lobsters, octopi, whales, dolphins, and other animals from being needlessly murdered. At one point in his video, he either is pretending to not understand what I'm saying or he really is ignorant and just doesn't get it. So let me explain about fish and drowning. When a fish is removed from water, he or she experiences the same terror and slow, painful death that you would experience if you were shoved underwater until you could no longer breathe. All animals deserve to live their lives without being needlessly attacked when there are so many other protein sources to eat. In his video, Ben claims to care about the environment. If this is the case, I suggest that he learns the multiple reasons as to why eating fish is highly detrimental to our oceans. He can do so by watching the highly acclaimed Netflix documentary called Seaspiracy. In fact, scientists predict that the oceans could be fishless by the year 2048. So it's extremely important that everybody knows about the documentary called Seaspiracy and watches it as quickly as they can. While you're at it, I hope that you, Ben, and your audience also watch another important documentary called Cowspiracy, where you will learn the importance of not drinking milk or consuming any dairy products. It's quite an eye-opener. Ben says that he is lactose intolerant, but in fact, he's not. He's just not a baby cow. Does this seem normal to you? Is Ben saying that if he wasn't lactose intolerant, this is what he would be doing? Doesn't it seem bizarre? Grown men do not need to breastfeed anymore, and they especially don't need to breastfeed from any other species. We need to stop stealing from animals. Stop raping them into existence. Stop exploiting them in any way. Stop stealing anything from them. Thanks to everyone for listening. If you like this video, subscribe and press the notification bell and help me get these animals out of hell. Oh, and coming up on screen are going to be a bunch of other videos. Have a look at them. Be curious. There's over 1,000 of them. I really appreciate everyone who takes an interest in the animals, and thank you so much. If this is your Happy Vegan Declaration Day, I am so proud of you. Write a little note, put it on your fridge, and celebrate. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.
Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now.